If you drive a Cadillac CTS, you know the interior details matter. But what happens when that crucial shift knob starts looking tired? This Debros replacement promises to restore that luxury feel instantly. We're looking at the automatic shift knob and boot combo specifically designed for the 2016 through 2019 CTS models. This isn't just a generic piece. It's engineered to replace the original equipment, matching those critical part numbers, 23,107,739 and 23,460,364. The fitment is precise, locating perfectly in the center floor position, just as it should. The first thing you notice is the material. It's genuine leather, finished in a deep, rich black color. The style is distinctly modern, maintaining that sleek, high-end aesthetic that Cadillac owners expect. The exterior finish is described as patined, which suggests a quality depth to the material, not just a cheap plastic coating. Dimensions are compact and comfortable, measuring 6 inches long by 2 inches wide, giving you that solid, ergonomic grip every time you shift into drive or reverse. But here's where this product really stands out: durability. This unit boasts a special waterproof feature. For a high-touch item like a shift knob, that resistance to spills and moisture is a massive bonus for long-term wear and tear. It's built to meet industry standards for quality control, ensuring reliable and consistent performance, which is exactly what you want when upgrading or replacing an interior component. If your CTS is showing its age right where your hand rests most often, this combination of the knob and the matching shift boot offers a seamless, high-quality refresh. It's a simple upgrade that delivers a huge visual and tactile improvement. This Debros kit is an amazing way to bring back that factory-fresh luxury feel without breaking the bank.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.